Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a quick Microsoft Word tutorial, how to insert a double line table. Whether you need a double border for the entire table or just a specific row to make your data stand out, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's jump right in. First, open your document. Go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Table, and create your grid. If you want to apply a double line to the entire table, hover over it and click the small 4-arrow icon in the top left corner to select everything. Right-click and choose Table Properties from the drop-down menu. Next, click the Borders and Shading button at the bottom. Under the Style list, scroll down and select the double line option. You can also adjust the width right below it if you want the lines to look a bit thicker. Click OK and OK again. Just like that, your whole table has a clean double border. Now, what if you only want to apply this to a single row like your header? It is just as easy. Click anywhere inside your table. Go to the Table Design tab that appears at the top of your screen. In the Borders section, choose your preferred double line from the Border Style menu. Your cursor will instantly turn into a small paintbrush tool. Simply click and drag along the exact lines you want to change. When you are finished editing, press the Escape key on your keyboard to turn off the painter. That is all there is to it. If this quick tip helped you streamline your workflow today, hit that like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward, no-nonsense tutorials. See you in the next one.